Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to import contacts and other objects in Notifyy. Go to Settings and click Import Data. Upload your data in bulk using the Import module and click Import to start. Choose Contacts, Companies, Deals, or multiple objects, then click Continue. To start importing, upload your file in a supported format such as CSV or XLSX. Make sure your file is properly structured before proceeding. Once the file is uploaded, click on Continue. Map columns to the correct CRM fields to ensure accurate data import. On the mapping page, you can edit incorrect data directly. You can also remap values by clicking on the errors and using the edit icon to make corrections. Once verified, click on Continue. Select Automatically Organize into a segment to group contacts, then click Start Import. After import, view results in the import table, including new, updated, and failed records. Use actions to download files if needed. Click on the import name to open the import summary page. From the summary page, you can select records and perform actions such as edit, delete, or add contacts to segments. With the import module, you can easily upload and manage bulk data in your CRM. This helps you save time and keep your data organized. After the import is complete, the contacts will be available in your CRM. Go to CRM and select Contacts to view them in the Contacts table.